Okay, so this is a bright room, and a reason why I'm testing this, I only care about one feature, and that's the DVD feature, so I'm about to try that right now. As you can see, the menu's different than your typical projectors are. I haven't spent a lot of time trying to focus it or trying to get it kind of working, but focusing, the lip turns here, keystone, this little knob right here, and you can see it kind of, the adjustment. There you go. It comes with this little stand, which I like. I still haven't figured out completely how to tighten that well, but it seems to hold pretty steady. The side-by-side movement is more due to the extension cord. Sorry, I don't have an extension cord. I think the cable is relatively short, but that's the same for most of these projectors. You're probably gonna need to get something to plug it in. And here goes. So I'm gonna try to movie and see how that works. I hit OK. I didn't see it do anything. I hit this button. Oh, it's not doing it. Let's see. Looks like escape. Try it again. So, not totally sure. Oh, there we go. Import source. Guess I need to change that, maybe. DVD. And let's see what happens. And it's loading the DVD. I can hear it spinning out.